Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we explore how to use frame mask for catalog and lookbook design. Start by opening a new Photoshop document with your desired layout size. Use the Frame tool to create placeholders for product images, lifestyle shots, or featured graphics. Drag images into the frames and adjust scale to maintain focus on key elements. Add text layers for product details, pricing, or descriptions, keeping typography clean and consistent. Optional tip: use repeated frame sizes for a cohesive look across pages. Group frames logically for easier navigation and updates. Practicing this workflow helps you quickly assemble professional